in this video, I'm taking my ugly Christmas sweater to a gnome other level. Alright, let's get started. Everything you need to make your sweater is in the description box below. First, we're going to be making the gnome's beard. I'm taking 2 types of yarn and layering them like so. You can use 1 type of yarn, but I used 2 because I liked the texture that each one had. Make your gnome's beard as full as you want. And then you're just gonna glue that down. And don't worry about gluing down everything because the beard will be secured by the end of this video. Next is the gnome's cute little nose. Now you can use whatever material you'd like. I used burlap from a wine bottle bag that I bought last year because I didn't have any felt in the color I wanted. And then you're just gonna cut out a little square, put some stuffing in the middle, and glue in the corners. And you can add more stuffing if you want your gnome's nose to be more round. And then just glue that down. Moving on to the gnome's Christmas tree hat. I'm just taking some garland that I got from Walmart and gluing row by row. Each row should get shorter in length as you get towards the top, just like a Christmas tree. I'm only gluing certain points of the garland down to leave room for the lights. Now on to the lights. You're just gonna cut a little hole into your sweater at the bottom corner of your Christmas tree hat. Then pull your lights through the hole and just start weaving them through each row until you get to the top. Then just add some more hot glue throughout the Christmas tree hat for security. Don't forget the beard. Next, you can decorate your tree with whatever you'd like. I went the classic ornament route, and I got these at Walmart as well. Onto the battery pack pocket. Okay, so you're gonna flip your sweater inside out and cut out a square from felt. Glue all the sides down but the top. And just like that, you have your pocket. Last is the beard part 2. Just trim the ends to your liking. Now during this step, you can add some beard locks. Like if your beard is looking a little thin in some areas, you can just cut out a strand and just glue it down. This part does get messy, but as long as you have a lint roller with you, you should be good. And voila! Now you have your very own Gnome Ugly Christmas Sweater. I kept this one more simple compared to my other ugly Christmas sweater videos, so please feel free to add your own embellishments and make sure to have fun with it. Thanks so much for watching and happy holidays!